Hey YouTube, Kimber Zellick here. We did lose our B gear. That's the first gear I've lost. Let's see if we can get a closer look at it. So that's that. Hopefully I have another one of these. Okay. Earlier today I was just thinking how well this little lathe has stood up to my abuse. And I guess that was just a bit more than it would go. Here's a couple of scraps that came out. Okay, we're going to see if we have another, I think it's a 60, it's an 80 tooth gear. I never expected it to fail there. I always thought if it failed, I was always looking at the teeth. Okay, please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend.